فلما تراءى الجمعان, when the two groups came face to face with each other, no way. In front of Musa is the sea. Behind him is Fir'aun and his soldiers. قال أصحاب موسى, the companions of Musa, the children of Israel, they said to Musa, إنا لمدركون, we will be overtaken, we will be caught. Musa, listen to those who believe in Allah, because we have to take examples from them. Listen to Musa. Yes, sea in front of them. Yes, the soldiers behind them. قال كلا, no, إن معي ربي سيهدين, my Lord is with me and he will give me way out.